Hello, dear students. In our previous lectures of carbon and its compounds, we have completed the topic up to functional group. Okay. Today our topic will be concerned about a naming of organic compound. Mean to say there is a different procedure how you will name, but particularly this is known as IUPAC naming. Okay. Now, how will you? There are some certain rules. I am defining them one by one. Like first, find the longest chain containing maximum carbon atom. For example, suppose I am drawing the figure only with the carbon. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you will see that if you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this have 6 carbon, this chain. Okay, but if you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so it contains 7 numbers of carbon. So this chain will be called parent chain. Okay, so the first rule to name the organic compound is find out parent chain. The parent chain have highest number of carbon. So the rest of this thing is called branch. Okay, we will name it separately. Like for this one, 7 carbon atoms, all are singly bonded. So obviously it's a heptane. Heptane for word for 7 carbons. We have already discussed that. Now at carbon number 3, from 1 to 3. If you start the numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here comes 5. But from here it comes 3. So the short number. So 1 carbon chain is connected. So 3 methyl heptane is the IUPAC name of the above organic compound. So second rule is numbering of carbon chain is done so that branches get short number or short notation number. Let's take an example for that one. For example, okay, now let's discuss this one. If we go for the parent chain finding out, this is the parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon are there. Okay, so this will act as a parent chain first thing. Now if you start the counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the branches. So 3 and 4 we have the number if we start the counting from here. But if you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you start from here, the numbering comes out what? 3 and 4. But from here it comes out 2 and 3. So the numbering will be from which take place? This direction. Mean to say your branches get short numbers notation. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. So first we will talk about these branches. These both are methyl. So we will define first position 2, 3. Okay. What? Methyl. 2, 3 methyl. Then 5 carbon are there. So pent, singly bonded, N. So this is the simple chain. First rule is find the longest chain or parent chain. Second, numbering you will do that your branches will get the shortest notation. Okay. Third, numbering of the parent chain also depends on the functional group present. Mean to say, you have to give priority to functional group. For example, let's say on the next page I am solving the example for you, that how functional group is affecting. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here single bond, double bond, all are the single bonds. Okay. Now you will see that this carbon chain, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But if we go from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this will be termed as branch 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the shortest thing. So the longest branch we are counting carbon, we know that there are 6 carbon in this carbon chain. But still the parent chain will be this one. Why? Because it contains a functional group. If we remove this one, this is a whole alkane series, but alkene is more prior than the alkane. So that's why you have to involve this, and the numbering will be start from not from here, from here, that your double bond get least number. So the name of this compound will be 1, 2, 3. First numbering we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 2, this branch is connected to on the 2, so 2 ethyl, 2 carbon chain means to say ethyl. Okay, then 5 carbon pent, and double bond is at first, so 1 ene. This is the IUPAC name for the above given compounds particularly. Okay, next rule. And a priority order of functional group is according to following. Like for effort, one will be the carboxylic. Okay, I am only listing which one, which you have. Then keto, then LD, then they are least priority, the carboxylic being the highest priority. Okay, then triple bond, then double bond, and at last single bond. However, alcohol also given in your syllabus, so air will be OH. Okay, like for example, I am taking an example of alcohol particularly, or carboxylic which contain. Suppose this is a carbon chain, simple carbon chain, which have carboxylic air. Okay, now here is OH also connected, so two functional group are present here. So first we will discuss, should we number from here or here. So the first prime thing is that we will do numbering from here. Why? Because the preferred functional group is present over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so preferred group which have prior functional group, priority functional group, the numbering will go from there. Now on 3, OH is connected, mean to say alcohol group, but naming have a suffix which is should be according to functional group prior. So it will be named as 3. On 3, what is? Hydroxy. Now it is known as alcoholic. Okay, it will known as hydroxy. The rest one is a 4 carbon chain, butanoic acids. Oic is stand we put on end of the carboxylic group particularly. Okay, so these are some particular rules to sort out the names of different functional organic compounds, IUPAC particularly. Now I am giving you and to sort out the namings of particularly, you must have to practice first thing. Okay, so now I am giving you some work particularly. So first work is your read the naming rules from NCERT. Okay, second thing, name the given compounds. I am drawing some compounds, you have to name them. Name the given compounds. Okay, like First one I am giving you. Okay. Second. Third. Okay. Now I am giving you 5 compound structures. You have to name their IPSC name. We will solve them tomorrow.